What's up, online shoppers? If you are looking for a gorgeous element to add to your outdoor lighting at nighttime, you've got to check out this really beautiful set of cracked glass solar lights. Now, the globes here are a beautiful red to orange that kind of remind me of fire. And inside is a tiny little string of solar lights. Turn them on by pressing the button on the bottom here. They will light up when the light is low. I wish I could show you exactly how pretty these are, but don't worry, I will include a clip of these lit up in the dark at the end of this video. Right out of the box, these crackled glass globes are charming and delicate. Beautiful fire colored globes, or you go with a warm white one, which is another option. These are definitely a soft, inviting globe that's going to enhance any garden or patio or fireside. The other thing about this cracked glass, which is kind of hard to see now, but it definitely catches the light and fractures the light in a really beautiful, pretty way. Now, these lights are equipped with 600 milliamp battery, which is going to outperform pretty much anything else in their category. After a full day's light, these are going to give you gentle, beautiful illumination in your space for up to 12 hours. So that is a pretty good value for your dollar. Even on cloudy days, the larger capacity battery that's in here is going to ensure that you have that 12 hours of light instead of not being able to maximize the beauty on a cloudy day. The other thing that I thought was pretty cool about these is that they give mounting hardware. So on the bottom here, there are 4 little holes, fits in just like this. They will sit very securely on this little peg that you can then put right into the ground. You also have the option of using these on a ledge or along a walkway without securing them with posts, but the posts are actually pretty cool. They give you 2 pieces like this and one slides into the other just like this, creating a little pointy, sharp end that you can then attach to your ball, nice and firm. That is pretty nice for keeping everything exactly spaced the way that you want them to be. And I just got to tell you, these are gorgeous. Now, these are designed with the outdoors in mind, weather resistant and waterproof, IP65 to be exact. This does make them a great choice for outdoor lighting. These cute little globes offer functionality and beauty all at the same time. Enchanting comes with easy installation, and with an enhanced battery, you get robust light even on cloudy days. This makes them an absolutely worthy addition to any outdoor lighting plan. Here is a shot of these gorgeous little globes in action. Look at how beautiful the light is. It looks just like coals in a fire. If you're looking to elevate your outdoor lighting ambiance, you've got to check out these absolutely gorgeous crackled glass globes that are solar powered. Definitely a family favorite at our house.